3 years with our Igneus pizza oven. Hello and welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is a little bit personal, because this Christmas marks 3 years since we installed our Igneus pizza oven. And I'll be honest with you, I never thought outdoor cooking would become such a big part of our lives. Let me take you back to where it all started. I was working with a client who wanted an outdoor kitchen with a canopy. They specifically asked for a pizza oven, and they wanted me to source one for them. At the time, I didn't know much about them. I'd seen them, of course, but I wasn't convinced it was something I'd ever use myself. Then, Lynn and I went to the Harrogate Home Building Show. And as luck would have it, the pizza oven shop had a stand there. We stopped to chat, and they explained just how versatile wood-fired ovens can be. Not just pizzas, but breads, roasts, even desserts. I was impressed, more than I expected to be. When we got back home, Lynn and I started talking about it. Would we actually use one? Or would it just be a fad, something that seemed exciting at first but ended up gathering dust? Now, here's the twist. Lynn's office roof projects out about 1.8 meters. It was part of my original design, but it was never intended to be an outdoor kitchen. Still, it got me thinking. Within a few days, I designed a layout for a proper outdoor cooking space. With the help of wood stock timber yard, we built a frame and had it installed. Then we ordered the pizza oven. And just in time for Christmas, it arrived. I'll never forget that feeling, setting it up, firing it for the first time, and wondering what we'd cook. And here's the thing, from that Christmas onwards, it became part of our routine. Every weekend we've been at home, whatever the weather, we've cooked outside. Rain, frost, sunshine, it doesn't matter. The oven has become the centerpiece of our weekends. It's not just about the food, though the food is incredible. It's about the experience. Lighting the fire, waiting for the oven to heat, preparing the dough, experimenting with toppings. There's something deeply satisfying about cooking outdoors, about gathering around the oven and sharing the results. Over the past 3 years, we've cooked everything from traditional pizzas to slow-roasted meats, fresh bread, and even desserts. Each time, it feels special. And each time, I'm reminded of how a client's request turned into something that transformed our own lifestyle. Looking back, I can say in all honesty that the Igneus pizza oven has changed our lives. It's given us a new way to enjoy our home, a new rhythm to our weekends, and a new appreciation for outdoor living. So as we head into this Christmas, celebrating 3 years with our pizza oven, I can't help but smile. What started as a design project for someone else has become one of the best decisions we've ever made. Thanks for listening. And if you've ever wondered whether outdoor cooking is worth it, take it from me. It's not a fad. It's a way of life.